Hey guys, today we got a Cab High ARE DCU. It's aluminum contractor unit. It's heavy duty aluminum. Fits the 09 to 14 F-150 with the truck with the 8-foot bed. The used unit, it's definitely been worked, but there's still a lot of life left in this one here. Has the ladder rack on the top. And have the arm that lifts down here. Open it, or pull this open, hold this down, and then you slide your ladders on there. And then you flip that back up. This catches the ladder, and then you can lock it up in place here and keep your ladders secure on the rack. Has a little bit of damage on paint right there. Just scratches and stuff, mainly from working with it. Dings and dents, hustling ladders over the top of it. It's like the guy was trying to sell it. He had a for sale sign probably stuck there. It's about the size of a for sale sign. Has some dents right there. It's kind of dings and dents on it, but visually, it's not a bad looking unit. Some more dings up there. It does have the full door on the side. The T-handle. Turn the T-handle, it opens the door up. Has access to toolboxes on the inside. Open toolbox on that side. This side has a shelf with a divider in it. Close the door. Locks down. Secures your tools inside. The window is a picture window. Glass picture window. This side has the full width door as well, with the windows on the side with security screens. It does have security screens on these, so if somebody would break in there, they can't get through very easily. Little bit of a wear mark here from something on there was probably carried on that. Minor dings on the top of this one. This side's not as bad. They probably loaded the ladders mostly on the driver's side. Couple small dent right there. A little bit of a paint scratch there. It's not horribly bad. Plenty of life left in this unit. Same thing, turn the T-handle, opens up. This one does not have any toolboxes in it, opens directly into the bed, so you just access whatever you have in the bed. You can see the security screens on there. And just locks down in place. Back door has a T-handle with the glass with security screens in it. The rubber flap on the back. It started to split there. That's a replaceable piece that could be replaced. There's a security screen there. Inside, just bare aluminum. There's the build tag for that. It was built specifically for a 2011 Ford F-150, the regular cab and extended cab long beds, with a 23-inch high units. That's Cab High. There it is. Cab High aluminum ARE DCU unit. Fits the 09 to 14 F-150 truck with the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so if you want to see how much it is, which location it is, it's at, purchase it online. That can all be done through that link below. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, deck units, bed slides, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our units, these are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up once you purchase them. And that can all be done through the links below to our website. Thanks for watching.